You are probably going to hate me today because this is another video about cold call openers. Okay, so I saw a post on LinkedIn that said, why would this work? This is a cold call, you're probably gonna hate me. I agree, that probably wouldn't work, okay? Because for one, the order's completely the wrong way around, okay? So when we're thinking about the psychology of delivering cold call openers, okay, the reason it works is there's that pause. Remember, space and pausing in cold calls is always going to be very, very important. But having that pause, okay? So if I say, John, you're probably gonna hate me today, pause. What's happening in John's mind at that very moment, okay? So the blood starts rushing from his feet to his head. He's thinking, has my wife been having an affair? Is this stranger on the other end of the phone going to ask me what I ate for dinner last night? What is going on? Who is it? I need to work it out. Okay, as human beings, we're always trying to work it out, what's going on, solve the problem. And then you say, it is a sales call. Okay, all of a sudden, that's not as bad as you saying that you were having an affair with Mary over an account. My kind of anxiety has calmed down now. Actually, that's probably a little bit funny if delivered in the right way. So then I'm like, okay, well, I'm a little bit more chilled now. What's coming next? That's when the permission base comes in. So you can hang up or you can let me have 30 seconds. So many people are missing so many vital bits of the cold call opener. It's like making a cake saying, brilliant, I've got eggs, bang. No flour, no sugar. You don't have a cake, you've got an omelette. So break it down. I'm gonna be very honest with you. You're probably gonna hate me. It is a sales call. I don't know if that makes you want to hang up or let me have 30 seconds, okay? There's two different pieces in there. But what I'm hearing a lot of people doing is, you can let me have 30 seconds or hang up. Cool. Recency bias, the last thing you said, hang up, I'm gonna hang up. So you can hang up or you can let me have 30 seconds. We're not saying give, we're saying let. So let is a mini command. So many pieces, as Chinese whispers happen, are being missed out of these cold call openers. So many people are going, this doesn't work, this would never work. Yeah, because it's not being delivered in the right way. So tonality is always going to be key. We know that tonality is king. I'm trying to sound like I belong and I've got something of importance. If you go into a sales call and you're like, I'm going to be very honest, it's a sales call, you can hang up or let me have a bang. Of course people are gonna hang up. So don't worry too much about what you're saying, but if you are going to copy things off LinkedIn or YouTube videos or whatever, be very, very careful that you're delivering in the right way. And I think try and understand the psychology and the theory of why you deliver them that way. Thanks for watching my video about cold call openers. I'll see you soon. Remember, you will die.